No, but
You still going military?
I feel like there's a lot of Jaden versus Jaden out here. Y'all might have to battle for a name or something. I don't know. Y'all like the same age, right?
13? Nah, he's a little bit older.
Oh, shit. I don't know.
See, bro.
Cameras out. Y'all should really
You ain't gonna come to his city.
There can only be one. LL Cool J ripped apart the West Coast in one song.
Oh my God, no way, yeah.
If you don't remember that. Ripped apart.
What was it?
It was no. It was
Mama's gonna knock you out.
4, 3, 2, 1. He ripped apart the whole and Who Shot Ya? He fucking ripped
I thought that was Biggie.
Yeah, well go look it up because he fucking
Oh my God.
played the whole West Coast. Go look it up.
We're gonna Google that.
Go ahead, go sit in the car, put your headphones on, cry about it.
I'm not gonna sit in it.
Bay music is trash. It's trash.
Oh,
we went to Instagram.
You are so
Instagram
far away
said it.
from home.
The only motherfuckers.
The
only
These are all
motherfuckers
East
that
Coast
said that the Bay
motherfuckers.
music was decent was Bay niggas, cause y'all half retarded.
Only East Coast niggas said it wasn't.
No, and it was. I had people from all over, Florida, everywhere. They were like, "Yo, that shit is
Still East
garbage."
Coast.
That's
Florida
not
is
East
still.
Coast. That's Florida.
Where's Florida on?
Florida rap and New
No,
York
no, no,
rap
no,
is
no. What
two different
coast is
things.
Florida
That's
on?
some South fucking bullshit. Your music is trash.
This vlog is gonna suck.
I hope the rain don't come in November, cause the summer went way too fast. I'm trying real hard to remember all of the good times and memories we had. And you called out crying. You said our love was worth dying for. Yeah, that's why you keep on trying. But I'm really not moved by your tears no more. Yeah, she said if I can't have you, baby, then nobody else ever will. Yeah, because you've been driving me so crazy. I just hope that this love is for real. Yeah. She wanna hold me down and never let me go. You moving way too fast. We need to take it slow, girl, high key. You need to find somebody else besides me. Yeah, I understand that you like me. What a thought though. Rejection is a hard pill to swallow. If it's love, then let it be. Cause if you force it, you gon' end up with your heart broke. Yeah. I hope the rain don't come